This is Storm Chaser Eric Jajak, just to the southwest of Didsbury, Alberta, with a tornado in progress right now, moving off to the east. Big tornado forming overhead, intermittent touchdowns, big funnel cloud overhead. Stay alert if you are downstream from Didsbury, Alberta. Big tornado forming right now. This is not tornado warning, but it's about to touch down. Huge hailstones. Incredible tornado, guys. Oh, I just hit something. Oh my God, so much debris in there. It hit something, guys, big. Check on this house. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's bad, guys. It's very bad damage. Oh my God. Oh my God. That house looks okay. This looks like a farm off to the right. Oh, this house got hit bad. Oh my God. I hear gas! I hear gas over there! guys. Emergency crew's coming. I'm gonna keep up with the storm. I can't get in there anyway. There's power lines, but emergency crews are coming. I see lights just behind me. Oh my God, there's so much debris, guys. Not good. We gotta go check the houses, guys. Oh my God, so much debris in there. It hit something, guys. Oh, it's still a very big, very strong tornado, guys. You just can't see it. It's just wrapped in dust. Very strong in there, though. Very loud.